Hi. If we look at this measurement of this septic tank, you can see the end of the tank is at 9 foot 4 inches. Oops, I'm a little shy here. There we go. That's at that end of the septic tank. And here's the other end of the septic tank. It's about 9 foot 9. You can see the cords were just sloppily laid underneath the riser. You can see the ground around the manholes hardly buried with 6 inches of dirt. This system has frozen a few times. This 8 foot 9 tank is a 1,500 gallon tank. Now let's measure this one here. Okay, that's about at the end of the tank. Now I'll go down here and get it straight. This tank is about 7 feet. So this is the tank closest to the house. It's the septic tank. It's a 1,000 gallon tank. The second tank, the pump tank, is a 1,500 gallon tank. The plans for the system called for a 1,500 gallon septic tank and a 1,000 gallon pump tank. The only time you'd need a 1,500 gallon pump tank is if you had a commercial establishment or a great big house. Whereas a 1,000 gallon septic tank, I don't think is enough tank capacity to treat the effluent properly. On my house, I have two 1,500 gallon septic tanks, and the system's holding up well and lasting long. So, okay, the installer's out of business. He should have known better which tank goes first. The plans said it's supposed to be a 1,500 gallon septic and a 1,000 pump. The inspector had the plans. He approved it. Who's responsible for making this right for the homeowner that relied on a contractor with a license, an inspector to inspect it? He didn't get his money's worth. And this system, I know, is frozen up more than once, or at least twice I know of, here in Minnesota. So if you think you get a contractor with a good referral, you think he's going to do it right, sometimes he won't. If you think the inspector is going to help you out, this is evidence that he didn't. He wasn't doing his job. There are other faults with the system that the inspector didn't catch also. So, unless you know you're getting somebody honest, and you know the inspector cares about his job other than his salary, then you'll get a decent job. Otherwise, I've seen a lot of these systems that never should have been installed.